In this video I want to show you how to use my videos on YouTube. Just search programming concepts. You will see my name and programming concepts. Click on my name and this is my videos. If you wanna see, it's categorized programming concepts, Android Studio tutorial, other stuff, so computer, and this revealing a scammer. And in channel sub you see more other channels. I want to transfer my trading videos to this channel. If you press on home, you see my other channels too, and this is my create playlists in home tab. Okay,